Hey Jefferson, it's Miss Medkey. Trunk or treat is this Wednesday, and I wanted to tell you a few things to know before you come. First thing, bring your family. Bring your brothers and sisters with you to come and get some free candy. Second thing, you are going to start in the front of the school, right where the office is, that front door that you come in. Miss Foytek's going to be sitting there and going to give you a card that looks like this. This is gold. You don't want to get rid of this. Each number is going to be associated with a car that is out there that you can go and get candy from. When you're doing this, after you get candy, they're going to mark off the number that they are, so you can only go to each car once. Don't forget that. That's super important. So make sure that when you are trick-or-treating and you are getting all of your candy with this card, you have a bag to put your candy in, right? And then after you're done, make sure you bring your mask with you and so you can come inside to literacy night and to the book fair. Both of those things are happening at the same time as trunk or treat. So make sure you stop by, bring your walking feet, your best costume, and we can't wait to see you there. Bye, Jefferson.